Good afternoon, dear friends, dear students. This is Computer Department. Subject Information and Cyber Security. This is Unit 5, Lecture number 1, Firewall and Intrusion. Now start with introduction. Intrusion. Start with introduction. And now start with intrusion. Intrusion is a person who attempts to gain unauthorized access to a system, to damage that system or disturb data on that system. Okay, there are three classes of intruder are masquerader, misphaser and clandestine user. Basically three types of classes of intrusions. One is masquerader, misphaser, clandestine. Now see the masquerader. Masquerader is an unauthorized user who penetrate a computer system, access control and gains access to the user account. Okay. Second is misphaser. Misphaser is a legitimate user who access resources he is not authorized to access, who is authorized such access but misuses his privileges. And third is clandestine user. Clandestine user who seizes the supervisory control of the system and uses it to evade auditing and access control. Right? So these are the three classes of intrusion: masquerader, misphaser and clandestine. Okay, go through the techniques of intrusions. First is a objective. An intruder wants to gain access to the system. Access is generally protected by password. System maintains a file that associates a password with each authorized user. Okay. Password file can be protected with one-way encryption and access control. The one-way function, the system stores password only in encrypted form. When user present a password, the system transforms that password and compares it with the stored value. And access control to the password file is limited to very few people. Okay, these are the two techniques, that is one-way encryption and access control. Right. There are some techniques for guessing password. First, we are going to see the techniques for guessing password. First, try default password. Use with standard account that is shipped with systems. Try all short words, 1, 2, 3 character long. Try all the words in the electronic dictionary. Collect information about user, hobbies, families, name, birthday, etc. Try user phone number, social security number, street address, etc. Try all license plate numbers. Use of Trojan horse. Tap the line between a remote user and the host system. Okay, these are the some techniques of guessing your password. The intruders will happen in this. Intrusions are using these techniques for guessing passwords. Now move forward to the computer intrusions. Now simple theory about the computer intrusions, what exactly it happens, he will do. Now start with computer intrusions. Computer intrusion occur when someone tries to gain access to any part of your computer system, right? Computer intruder or hackers typically use automated computer programs when they try to compromise a computer's security. Okay, a computer intrusion is a set of actions that violate the security of the system. Such as situation must be detected or corrected in order to guarantee the integrity, confidentiality, and or availability of computing resources. There are two basic intrusion detection systems: misuse detection and anomaly detection. Misuse detection system attempts to match computer activities with previously known attacks in their database. An important drawback of this type of system is that it can only detect known attacks, so attacks that are not stored or variant of stored attacks will not be detected. Anomaly detection system learn a normally activity of the system and attempts to detect any computer activity that deviates from normal patterns. Okay, this is the computer intrusion. Now move forward with the firewall introduction. You can see the diagram of firewall. This is connected to the computers, and other side is the internet. The data is moving to the computers from the internet, but firewall detects the intruders and protect the data and send to the computers. The intrusions or intruders not passed through the firewall to the systems. Okay. Basically, information system is an organization have changed very rapidly over the years from centralized data processing, LAN, WAN, and internet connectivity. Internet connectivity is essential for the organization, enabling access to outside world. Also, it is a threat to the organization if not secured from intrusions, unauthorized access to users. A firewall is inserted between the internet and LAN for security purpose. The firewall protects the LAN from internet-based attack. Also provides security and audits. A firewall may be a hardware or software program running on secure host computer. A firewall is placed at junction or gateway between two networks. Okay, a firewall must at least two network interfaces, one for the network it is intended to protect and one for network in order for network it is exposed to. A firewall placed between a private or corporate network and a public network, that is internet, which is shown in internet, which is shows in the diagram. The term firewall comes from the fact that by some segment a network into different physical subnetwork. They limit the damages that could separate from one subnet to other, just like FireDoor or firewalls. So this we have to see in this firewall and covered some topics: introduction, computer intrusions, firewall introduction. Okay, the next part, the next portion of the intrusion is trusted system intrusion detection, access control will be teach in next lecture. Okay. Before that, we have to complete we need to complete some firewall limitations and some firewall types, some firewall capabilities. We have covered this topic in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.